Hey guys, my name is Raymond, and these are my teammates Josh, Jamie, and Jason.
Hi, I'm Josh. I ensured that the app was intuitive and functional.
My name is Jamie. I took care of the creating the front end mobile application.
Hi, my name is Jason, and I designed the main application process.
And I'm Raymond. I developed the backend server that communicates with a blockchain network to store users' medical information. We are all software development students here at Seneca, and today we are thrilled to present our app, EasyPass, as a solution to the vaccine passport section of the Digital Health Hackathon. For over a year now, COVID-19 has been running rampant in Canada. The pandemic has forced many changes to the status quo, particularly affecting consumers, employees, and businesses. In our stakeholders analysis, consumers and employees would be lower in power and low in interest since they are going to be users of our application. Businesses, both small and large, would be low power and low and high interest, while investors would be high in power and low in interest. Lastly, Salesforce and the Government of Canada will have high interest and high power. In addition, most businesses now have to spend extra time and resources to ensure that their consumers and employees are COVID-free and adhering to the COVID guidelines. An example of this is how workers must fill out online COVID screening tests each day before entering the workplace. This process is both time-consuming and inefficient, but there's a simple solution: EasyPass.
Our app uses GPS technology to allow users to reserve a spot at their intended destination, only being allowed through if their current health status aligns with the destination's COVID regulations. Once validated, the user would be added to a list that a verifier has access to. When the user approaches the verifier would ask for their name, and if it is on the list, the user would have their EasyPass, which is created by scanning their health card, scanned via NFC technology to verify their identity and be let in. Users would also be notified by email if another user with COVID was scanned at the same building that same day for contact tracing. By examining our use case diagram, some user stories include a user using EasyPass to safely gain access to a building, a verifier needing to view a list of users to grant a user access to the building, and a verifier needing to compare the profile image with the user in person to validate their identity.
Welcome to our app, EasyPass. This pass was created from scratch using React Native. When the user opens the app, the user can either create a new account using their health card number or sign in with a previously created account. When a user logs in, they will have access to a map and a profile page. The profile page holds information about the user and their COVID history. This information is passed through using our health card and past medical history. The user information is there to make sure all the user's current information is valid. Besides that, the profile holds important COVID information. This includes past COVID tests and results, as well as any vaccinations you previously took. On the map feature, you're able to locate nearby stores around your current position. This lists out a bunch of stores and a validation option. Once the validation button is pressed, the user's information and COVID validations are sent to the store side. The store is notified of the user and they can prepare for two-step verification when the customer arrives. At any given time, you can go back to your profile and log out back to the main page.
With the prototype we just presented, we would like to target consumers of all types with our easy-to-implement design. Businesses wanting to open again with a safe solution should take an interest into what we created, and with this, we expect a large return on investment with this development. The major challenge our group faced with this project is application security and how to keep the user's data safe. Our solution to this is to implement blockchain and NFC technology to ensure users' data is always kept safe. We would like to highlight our GPS verification system that will allow businesses to safely interact with their clients once again. If given the opportunity in the future, our group would like to further the development of our application and conduct real-life tests.
This concludes our presentation, and I thank you guys very much for listening.